G'day everybody. Well, like I promised, video on this thing, the Telequipment Servicescope S51E. There's your specs on it. It's a vacuum tube oscilloscope, and when I say vacuum tube, I mean not only does it have a cathode ray tube, it's got thermionic valves. It's as far as I can tell, it's about 40-50 years old. It's as far as I can tell, it doesn't work, but we will be doing a more videos on this, on fixing it up, getting parts for it, and making it work, being able to do square wave and whatnot on the tube face, and yeah, just do some cool stuff with them, because oscilloscopes can actually be fun at times. But for now, I just figured I'd do a video on opening it up, having a look inside, just showing you how it's all configured. It's very nicely set up inside, and also very easy to access parts and work on. So I'll yeah, basically get this back casing off and have a look. Okay, well, there it is. That's it in all its glory. The cover just slides off. It's built very similar to the aviation weapons radar units and things. Aussie 50 did a video a long time ago on pulling some of those apart, and they got some really good stuff in as well, but it's sort of what it reminds me of in terms of how it's set up. But that's it. That's the CRT. It's got its shielding and everything on, and there's your tubes at the back and the main controller board. There's a lot of big caps and things which probably have dried out. I will have to get one of those capacitor testers, because I don't actually have one yet, and basically go over all of these caps and just check that they're still within their tolerances, not dried up, because they are big electrolytics. Like that one's a big 2000 volt DC, 0.05 microfarad, made by Static. And there is a dead tube in this, which is the one I'm just taking out right now. It's if I can get it out. It does have an open filament in it, unfortunately. It's a ECC 88 dual triode. It was what came up in the search results. And yeah, basically when I tested these, because as far as I can tell, all of these ones are good. I did pull them out and test the filaments, which is the main thing that do go in these. And no, they were alright, but this one tested bad, so I've written the numbers down to see if I can get another one. But I'll just turn it round. There's the back side of it. Lots of old carbon film resistors. I haven't seen these in a long time. There's some solid state caps, 0.1 microfarad, 400 volt DC. The black lead being the negative, I suppose. Big variable caps. This stuff is seriously well made. Like, this thing was probably used in the 1950s. And it says there, when ordering replacement cathode ray tubes, please state if 12-pin or 14-pin base. Back in the day, we could actually replace the CRT for your scope. Nowadays, it's just a case of throw it out and buy a new one, sadly. Also to note, with oscilloscopes, a lot of the earlier ones like this do not use a deflection yoke like this thing here. That's just busted off a computer monitor, and they do not have a yoke on them. It's all built inside with the grids on the electron gun. And that's basically what focuses the beam of light to produce the waves and whatnot on your screen. There is no deflection yoke. I know some of the cheaper ones did have a yoke in them, but yeah, this is not one of those. There's your flyback down in the corner there. Very big and chunky. It's got 3 pins on it, but it's covered up by this big step-down transformer, which I'll have to very carefully pull out so that we can get down inside there and have a look. And yeah, it's basically the case of testing all over it, checking what's good and what's not, and yeah, basically looking at other videos, because this is a common unit. There are quite a lot of these scopes out there, but yeah, it's basically just a case of going over and looking at everything. There's a big slide switch. This is like I said, seriously well made stuff. All potentiometers and things stand inside there. It's really nice. But anyway, stay tuned for more videos on getting a bit further into this. We're going to be cleaning it up and having a look, and yeah, hopefully be able to do some Lesagis figures and stuff on this. So thanks for watching for now, and stay tuned for more.